And they put this sticker in the wrong spot. That's better. I am dangerous goods. You don't want to unleash me on this bad boy. This is sick. Look what just rocked up. And look. Yoo! We're on here, boys. We're on.
Did you know something?
No.
Kelly was mucking around a little.
New Sur Ron is more important than school, hey?
No, it's not. Come, Mr. Boss.
Better, we'll load her up, take the kids to school. What's up, doggies? Welcome back to another video. Now, I have finally received my new Sur Ron, which I am absolutely pumped about. The other Sur Ron that I have, I bought second hand, so she's pretty thrashed, and I also gave it a good hiding. So I am excited to get this new bike. I'm gonna get unboxed, and we'll get unpacked, and I've got plenty of mods to do to it, and I'll take you guys with me. Let's go. That's dope. You like the Allen keys?
And that tea.
Allen keys, yeah.
That's
This thing is so sick. I've never actually seen a brand new Sur Ron in person, so to have this here is like a dream come true for me, because you know how much I love these bikes. And oh, thank you. So much help.
And that stickers.
That stickers, yeah. Finish getting this thing unraveled, and then we'll do the reveal. Look at this. What is it?
A big bike for boy.
Big bike for boy?
Yes.
Is that me?
Yes.
Come have a look. What colour's this one?
Oranges.
Oranges. Do you like it?
Yes.
Do you like this bike?
Yeah, that is white and black.
White and black, yeah, and orange. It's very cool.
Yeah, and that
Do you
lemon.
want to have a practice?
Oh no.
Okay. Alright, unwrapped, unraveled. New charger is sick. That thing looks dope. Jesus Christ.
Oh my god.
What is it?
It's Laura.
All over there.
I know this. Let's pick it.
No, stand back.
That? So Mum, let my daddy one that way. Or is that? Yay! Maybe. Huh? See?
Got it jacked up.
I'll help you, Dada.
Yeah, hang on.
What is that?
Got it on.
Yes, and let my daddy one.
Yeah. Boost. Boost, boost. All assembled, I just need to tune it up, but I'm going to get the plugs plugged in and get this thing fired up. That fits. Oh, that stuff when it's brand new is just so nice. She's on. Yeah, suckers up. I put the bike together and I thought I'd better look at the instructions. Nothing like looking at the instructions after you do the job, but see if I missed anything. Yoo! She runs. I'd love to give it a test ride, but I can't. The neighbours dogged me into the police, so won't be riding that on the street. And turns out they're the ones that caused the car accident on the street. Take it out to private property and we'll send her. And I've got a son too, and he just stares at me all the time. He's like 13 years old. Like, bro, I'm not into dudes, hey. I've got a wife and kids, man. Just leave me alone.
One thing.
Another sticker?
Yeah,
There you
please.
go.
Thank you.
Where are you gonna put that one?
Maybe that one.
Oh, wow. That looks amazing. Fix your bike, ready?
Where is that one?
There you go. Oh, your bike was much easier to fix.
Yes, for me.
What are you doing to it?
To fix it.
Fix it? I love it.